Lucky for you, I'm a painter too. So how about a brush? Hello, Liz here from the Chicago Children's Museum, and today I have a very special guest visiting us. Help! Help! What's wrong? I'm naked! Oh my goodness, why are you naked? I don't know. Well, I'm glad you came here because what we're going to be doing today is making a sock puppet. Ooh, that sounds perfect. Would you like to wear a sock? Yeah. All right. So this is great because if you have lots of socks lying around, it's a perfect thing to do. So what I like to do is when I'm putting this sock on, I want my palm to be on the heel and the toe. So I'm going to put it on our friend here. Make sure that the heel and the toe are going through. Sometimes I like to put my thumb where the heel goes and my fingers where the toe is. Ooh, that feels comfy. Another thing you can do is put your whole hand inside the toe and push the toe in a bit. Then you have more of a mouth like this, a little crinkly mouth. Ooh, I feel a little bit more sophisticated. But for me, because it's a little bit easier on my hand, I like to just put the heel on my thumb. Ooh, wait, I feel like I look pretty good. Yeah, I think you look nice and blue. But I have a problem. I can't see. Oh boy, what do we think we can do for our sock puppet to help him see? Add some eyes. Ooh-wee. So I'm gonna open up my fingers, put this in here. Oh, I can see! How I made these eyes is out of an egg carton. Egg cartons are great. You can do so much out of them. What I do to make these eyes is I cut just 2 of the egg portions out, trying to include this bit so I can stick it within the fingers here. That works great. Now Liz, I love how decorative your apartment is. I want some decoration too. I think we can make that happen. So when I make sock puppets, one of the things that I use to kind of spiff them up, make them a little bit more decorated, is old jewelry or costume jewelry. I know as a kid, I used to love going through all of my mom's old jewelry. So what I find works really well, ooh, how about this? Ooh, that's nice. It's dangly earrings. Can you move over so I can put it on you? Sure. And then just slip it in. Ooh, wait. And then find another dangly earring. How about this one here? Oh, that's nice. Put it in here. Ah, there we go. What do you think, y'all? Like my earrings? Ah! So you like that? So what about some hair? Yeah, I'd like some hair. Remember that t-shirt yarn we made? That's gonna be perfect for hair. So what I do is just wrap it around. Wow! Wrapping, wrapping. Maybe I'll put some up here. Could be really messy. I am not going to show you a whole lot of techniques because I want you to come up with your own. Yeah, you're creative. Another thing, if you don't have an egg carton, you can use buttons for eyes. These work just fine. I would say though, put these on when the sock is off your hand. Yeah, I don't want to get hurt. So, who are you? Puppet. Well, my name is Penelope, and I love all the paintings here. Oh, paintings. I think I'm a painter. Oh, well, we should maybe give you some props so you really look like a painter. Don't you think? Yeah. Well, lucky for you, I'm a painter too. So how about a brush?
All right, now I'm going to do some painting. How about I paint this egg curtain? Boosh, 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 boosh. Oh, yeah! Oh no, that's my eyes, I'm blind again.
It's all right. I got you, Penelope.
Thank you.
So as you can see, there's a lot that happens with puppets. I'm making up a funny voice. I'm acting in a character. Cognitively, I'm coming up with a story for Penelope. Who is she? What does she do? Also, for social emotional reasons, when times are tough, it's sometimes easier to talk with a puppet, right? So let your kiddo really express themselves. Sometimes I like making mean puppets because I myself am usually not very mean. So it's kind of fun to escape that way. Yeah! Because I'm not hurting anybody. It's pretend, it's play. So I hope you had fun with us today. And Penelope and I, well, I don't know about you, Penelope. Well, I might not be here. We'll see you soon. Bye.